Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing our world, and parents are understandably concerned about how it will impact their children's education and future. But what happens when a parent is not just any parent, but an AI developer himself? Soulaiman Itani, in a New York Times op-ed, shares his perspective as a single father of a 4-year-old son navigating this new landscape. He acknowledges the same anxieties many parents have, that AI, particularly large language models, might hinder a child's natural problem-solving abilities by providing instant, unearned answers. But what's his plan to address these concerns? Itani intends to introduce his son to tools like ChatGPT eventually. However, he emphasizes the importance of teaching his son to be a critical thinker. He plans to show him how to verify the information AI provides, understanding that these systems can sometimes learn incorrect information from online sources. This is a crucial point, as it highlights the need for media literacy and critical thinking skills in the age of AI. In terms of education, Itani advocates for teaching methods that encourage children to formulate their own questions and design their own investigations. He believes schools should foster projects that challenge students to develop well-reasoned solutions to real-world problems. This approach shifts the focus from rote memorization to active learning and problem-solving, which is essential in a world driven by technological advancements. At home, this translates into creative playtime. Itani creates scenarios that challenge his son's imaginative superheroes and villains, encouraging improvisation and critical thinking. This is a fantastic example of how parents can actively engage with their children to promote these essential skills. But here's where it gets interesting. Itani's approach isn't just about avoiding the potential pitfalls of AI, it's about leveraging its capabilities while equipping his son with the skills to navigate this new reality. Do you agree with Itani's approach? What other strategies do you think are essential for preparing children for an AI-driven future? Share your thoughts in the comments.